Good morning, Namaskar. Welcome to this July month news bulletin. This month, our school witnessed a feat of engineering that would make even the greatest inventor raise an eyebrow.
Let's dive into the latest news of July month. This is Twinkle from class 11th,
And this is Shreya Ingle from class 11.
and you are watching New India Convent High School and Junior College Chandrapur News Bulletin. Olympiad winners shined. We have some incredibly exciting news to share from the Indian Talent Olympiad Award ceremony held on July 4th in the presence of Chairman Mr. Ashish Dheer sir and President Mrs. Prakash Kaur Dheer ma'am. Our school truly shone brightly with many students achieving outstanding results. We are incredibly proud to announce our Olympiad Excellence Award winners Parmita Ghare from class First, Hruday Borkar from class 2nd, Mitransh Vanikar from class 3rd, Rohit Aware from class 5th. These young scholars demonstrated exceptional performances, earning well-deserved recognition for their hard work and dedication by winning Excellence Award with gold medals. Our students also achieved pinnacle achievements as state toppers. So Malone secured an impressive 5th state rank in the drawing subject, receiving a scholarship of rupees 1000. Master Bhumik Dhoke clinched the 4th state rank in mathematics, earning a scholarship of rupees 1200. In addition to these remarkable achievements, several of our talented students were also recognized as class toppers, proudly receiving gold, silver, and bronze medal along with their certificates. A huge round of applause to all our participants and winners. Let's keep striving for excellence. Huge congratulations to the in charge teacher, Ms. Rashmi Chawle ma'am, for her dedication. SSC toppers honored at school felicitation ceremony. Our school proudly felicitated its SSC merit students in a special ceremony recognizing the outstanding achievements of our toppers, Kumari Anjali Samrutwar and Kumari Shreya Ingle. The event was graced by the presence of our respected chairman sir Ashish Dheer sir, President Ma'am Prakash Kaur Dheer, Principal Ma'am Vaishali Jenekar, and dedicated teachers. Trophies were presented to the meritorious students celebrating their hard work and dedication. During the ceremony, both Kumari Anjali Samrutwar and Kumari Shreya Ingle expressed their heartfelt gratitude to the management, their teachers, and their parents for their unwavering support and guidance throughout their academic journey. The felicitation served as an inspiration for all students, highlighting the importance of perseverance and dedication in achieving academic excellence.
आषाढी एकादशीचा शाळेत भक्तिमय सोहळा 5 जुलै 2025 रोजी शाळेत इयत्ता चौथीच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी मोठ्या उत्साहात आषाढी एकादशीचा सोहळा साजरा केला. या कार्यक्रमाचे सूत्रसंचालन माधुरी निखाडे मॅम यांनी केले. शाळेचे अध्यक्ष श्री आशिष धीर सर आणि मुख्याध्यापिका सौ वैशाली जेनेकर मॅडम या प्रसंगी उपस्थित होते. माधुरी वडसकर मॅडम यांनी आषाढी एकादशीचे महत्त्व तसेच थोर संतांची माहिती दिली, ज्यामुळे विद्यार्थ्यांना या परंपरेबद्दल अधिक जाणून घेता आले. इयत्ता चौथीच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी पंढरपूरच्या पवित्र वारीची परंपरा अत्यंत सुंदररित्या साकारली. या वारीमध्ये विठ्ठल कांबळे, सुधांशू भुरे, रुक्मिणी स्पृहा तोटे, संत रुक्मिणी, आदर्श चव्हाण, संत तुकाराम, मित्रांश वणीकर, संत नामदेव, चित्रांग मेंढे, संत ज्ञानेश्वर, देवश्री पत्रंगे, संत मुक्ताबाई आणि आरोही बुद्धलवार, संत जनाबाई या चिमुकल्यांनी विविध संतांच्या वेशभूषेत वारी सादर केली. टाळ, मृदंग, भगवे झेंडे आणि उत्स्फूर्त हरिनामे कीर्तनांनी संपूर्ण परिसर भक्तिमय झाला होता. इयत्ता 7वीच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी समज्ञा आत्राम हिने विठ्ठलाचे भक्तिमय नृत्य सादर करून उपस्थितांचे मन जिंकले. कार्यक्रमाचे शेवटी तृप्ती चौधरी मॅडम यांनी आभार प्रदर्शन केले. हा सोहळा विद्यार्थ्यांमध्ये धार्मिक आणि सांस्कृतिक मूल्यांची रुजवात करणारा ठरला.
School successfully holds head boy and head girl elections. On July 9th, our school held successful elections for head boy and head girl, with students from classes 6 to 10th participating. The event aimed to teach students about democracy and the importance of voting. The day was filled with lively discussions among candidates and their supporters. Polling booths were set up to mimic real world elections, ensuring a fair and transparent process. Students actively participated, understanding the significance of choosing their leaders. Purvi, a class 7 student, commented, "It was a fantastic experience. It made me realize how important it is to choose the right leader and how every vote counts." Congratulations to all candidates and students for making the event a success. Stay tuned for the announcement of the new head boy and head girl.
पौर्णिमा विशेष ज्ञानदातांप्रती आदर व्यक्त. गुरुवार 10 जुलै रोजी आमच्या शाळेत गुरुपौर्णिमा उत्साह साजरी करण्यात आली. 5वीच्या विद्यार्थिनी या कार्यक्रमात अतिशय उत्साहाने भाग घेऊन सर्व गुरुजनांना आदरांजली वाहिली. या कार्यक्रमाला शाळेचे अध्यक्ष आदरणीय श्री आशिष धीर सर आणि मुख्याध्यापिका आदरणीय वैशाली जेनेकर मॅम यांची विशेष उपस्थिती लाभली. त्यांनी विद्यार्थ्यांना योग्य मार्गदर्शन केले. कार्यक्रमाचे सूत्रसंचालन रूपा पेटकर मॅम यांनी केले. कंचन सैनी मॅम यांनी आपल्या प्रभावी भाषणांतून गुरूंच्या महत्त्वावर प्रकाश टाकला. आदित्य कुबडे, वेदिका खांडेकर आणि आराध्या मांडवकर या विद्यार्थ्यांनी आपल्या भाषणातून गुरुजनांबद्दल आदर व्यक्त केला. 5वीच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी आपल्या नृत्याच्या माध्यमातून गुरूंना वंदन केले तर गाण्याच्या माध्यमातून मानवंदना दिली. कार्यक्रमाच्या शेवटी विद्यार्थिनी आलिया आवडे हिने उपस्थितांचे आभार मानले. हा कार्यक्रम गुरु शिष्य परंपरेचे महत्त्व अधोरेखित करणारा ठरला. न्यू इंडिया कॉन्व्हेंट inaugurates Student Leadership for 2025-26 on July 15, 2025. New India Convent High School and Junior College hosted its annual investiture ceremony, formally inducting its student leaders for the academic year 2025-26. The prestigious event was attended by Chief Guest Mr. Ashish Devji, along with the school chairperson Mr. Ashish Dheer Sir, President Mrs. Prakash Kaur Dheer Ma'am, Principal Mrs. Vaishali Jenekar Ma'am, and teachers. A significant moment of the ceremony was the badging and sashing of the new cabinet ministers. Shreyas Soyam was named head boy and Chandana Kubde was designated head girl, both assuming the top student leadership position. In a solemn pledge, the head boy and head girl followed all newly inducted cabinet ministers, committed to honesty, diligence, sincerity, and dedication in their new roles. The oath was administered by assistant teacher Sanjana ma'am. The program was successfully compared by a team of confident anchors Chaitali Atram, Shravani Bonkulwar, Tasmiya Naz Sheikh, Nihal Singh Chandel, Pawan Rohankar and Pratik Sapkal, who impressed the audience with their public speaking. Head girl Chandana Kubde's impactful presence was particularly noted. Class 10th student Manpreet Rathod delivered the vote of thanks, bringing the ceremony to a close. Chief guest Mr. Ashish Dev and Principal Vaishali Jenekar extended their best wishes and encouraged the new leaders to embody the spirit of leadership and service. The successful execution of the program was overseen by history teacher Mrs. Sanjana Kontamwar, geography teacher Mrs. Rupali Badghare, and English teacher Mrs. Priti Ramteke.
We have an important announcement regarding our health and well-being, especially with the rainy season upon us. On July 18th, our school was privileged to host an impactful awareness campaign on diseases spread by insects and waterborne illness, organized by the Municipal Corporation Chandrapur. During the insightful session, experts from the Municipal Corporation, Dr. Yerne, educated us on how to prevent common monsoon ailments like dengue, malaria, and cholera. They highlighted the importance of maintaining hygiene, keeping our surroundings clean, and eliminating stagnant water sources. A fascinating part of the campaign was the introduction of guppy fish. We learned how these small fish can play a significant role in controlling mosquito population by feeding on their larvae, thereby helping to curb the spread of mosquito-borne diseases. Let's all remember the valuable information shared and take proactive steps to ensure a healthy and safe monsoon for ourselves and our community.
Yoga and hypothyroidism session empowers girls. On July 18th, our school hosted an insightful session on yoga and hypothyroidism for our 9th and 10th grade girls, organized by Nima Women's Forum and spearheaded by our history teacher, Ms. Sanjana Kontamwar. The event was a great success. Dr. Manisha Ghugal led a beneficial yoga session, while Dr. Vaishali Badnore shed light on the rising issue of hypothyroidism among young girls. Dr. Simla Gajarlawal presidential address emphasized the importance of education, positive attitude, and personality development. The event, guided by Principal Vaishali Jenekar ma'am and ably supported by in charge Mrs. Rashmi Chavle ma'am and Mrs. Sanjana Kontamwar ma'am, provided valuable health and life lesson for our students.
Spelby Stars honored. On July 26th, our school buzzed with excitement as we celebrated the incredible achievements of our students at the Spelby Award distribution ceremony. Chairman Mr. Ashish Dheer sir and Principal Mrs. Vaishali Jenekar ma'am personally presented beautiful trophies and certificates to our Spelby's champion. A huge round of applause for Ms. Twinkle Dheer, who shined brightly, securing the 5th rank at the state level and an impressive 68th rank nationally. Equally commendable is Ms. Alia Avle, who achieved the 10th rank at the state level and 60th rank nationally. Our youngest speller, Master Advik Ghate from Little Hand Spellby, also made us incredibly proud, earning the 9th rank at the state level and 24th nationally. Additionally, all participants in the Little Hand Spellby and handwriting competitions received well deserved medals and certificates. Congratulations to all our talented students.
हिरवट सप्ताहाची धूम, एक पेड मां के नाम अभियानाला उत्स्फूर्त प्रतिसाद. दिनांक 7 ते 12 जुलै दरम्यान एक पेड मां के नाम अभियानाअंतर्गत शाळेत हिरवट सप्ताह मोठ्या उत्साहात साजरा करण्यात आला. या अभियानात आदरणीय शाळा व्यवस्थापन तसेच 1ली ते 12वीच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी मोठ्या उत्साहाने सहभाग घेतला. या सप्ताहात विद्यार्थ्यांनी मोठ्या संख्येने झाडे लावली. झाडांच्या महत्त्वाविषयी जनजागृती करण्यासाठी विद्यार्थ्यांनी विविध घोषवाक्य तयार केले होती. इयत्ता 6वी, 7वी आणि 8वीच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी आयोजित वृक्षदिंडीत सहभाग घेऊन पर्यावरणाचा संदेश दिला. तसेच घोषवाक्य आणि चित्रकला स्पर्धेमध्येही विद्यार्थ्यांनी आपला उत्साह दाखवला. हा हिरवट सप्ताह आणि एक पेड मां के नाम अभियान श्रीमती रुपाली बडघरे मॅडम यांच्या मार्गदर्शनाखाली यशस्वीरित्या पार पडले.
That's all for now. Thank you for tuning in.
Until next time, keep shining and keep making a difference. Goodbye. Have a wonderful day ahead.